Vital Sleep is adjustable to treat the severity of your snoring and for your comfort. For the first few nights, we recommend sleeping with the mouthpiece without the lower tray in a forward position. This will help your mouth get accustomed to it. If your snoring is not reduced, you can start to adjust the lower tray forward. When making adjustments, be sure to set the left and right side to the same position. Using the included hex key, turn each screw clockwise to the next mark on the indicator. Only advance the lower tray to the minimal forward position that is most effective in treating your snoring condition. With proper use, Vital Sleep can help you get the quiet sleep that you deserve.